How to add drop-down menu in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have a drop-down menu effect in Wix Studio. So first things first, what you're going to do is you need to have your menu, of course, and you're going to double click it over here so we could see our manage menu pop up over here. So now simply select the specific item that you want to have a drop-down effect. So for example, we have home. So I want items be populated under home. So what we could do is we could click on the other items, click on the three dots, and click on move under home. So as you can see, it will now have a drop down or have content inside of this. So when people select this, something will appear under it. So we could add another item over here, some menu item, and then we could move it under home again, as you can see. And so now when you publish this, you will now have a drop down effect on the specific menu. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.